So in this challenge, you're going to be taking your current score and assessing it to check if it's greater than the best, and then you're going to basically assign best to the current score if that condition is true. So to get started on this, there's a few things you need to consider. First off, where do we update this and when do we update it? So where do we update our current score? If we open up our UI manager, who's in charge of all of the UI text on the screen, you'll see here that we have an update score method. Now, this method is right here. We call update score. Every time we kill an enemy, this method gets called, we say score plus equals 10, and then we update the actual UI text. What we need to do now is we need a method that says check for best score. So we want to check for best score. And you'll create logic inside here. That's simply just, write out the pseudocode for it, right? So you have if current score is greater than, right? So if current score is greater than best score, or I'm sorry, yeah, if current score is greater than best score, then you have a new best score, right? So you have a new high score. So then you need to say best score is now equal to current score. Now the question is though, when do you call check for best score? You do that when the player dies, right? When you go back to the title screen, which is basically when you show the title screen again, you need to figure out when's the best time for you to call this. You may be able to do it from the player, you may be able to do it from here. It's really up to you where you find it best to do that. So that's your challenge. I'll see you in the challenge review.